Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your watch time using your phone. I understand a lot of YouTubers use their mobile phone to create content. And I think it is because we don't have computers or laptops. That's why we end up using our phones to create our content, okay? So in this video, I'm mostly focusing on people who are using phones. I'm focusing on how to increase your watch time using your mobile phone and get monetized quickly. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. My name is Ben. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time to watch my videos. And if you've been watching my videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe because that is very important for me, okay? All right, guys, let's go through the tutorial. The first step, you open Google Play Store and then you search for multiple view browser. Okay, and then you install it. So once it's done downloading, you open the browser, and this is actually how the browser looks like. So this browser allows you to multiply the tabs so that you can actually use different kind of tabs at the same time. You can use up to 6 different tabs and use them to do anything that you want. So I'm going to show you how you can literally use these tabs and gain watch time, okay? All right, so let's first begin with 3 tabs. But before you do anything, you first tap on these 3 dots and turn off screen sleep. You make it go off, then image replacement as well, okay? All right, before I continue, shout out to Rosalind Hera and Rio Jingo. You know, I always give random shout outs to my subscribers. So if you want to get a shout out in my next video, subscribe to these channels and leave a comment. After that, let's first try 3 tabs. So this is the triple view, okay? So once you're done with triple view, you can tap here where you see the plus button down here, and you will see numbers here corresponding each tab, okay? This is tab number 2, this is tab number 1, this is tab number 3, okay? All right, let's go to tab number 1 and then you search for YouTube, youtube.com, okay? So after that, you go to the next tab, which is tab number 2. You also search for youtube.com, as well as tab number 3, youtube.com. All right, so once you're done with that, you come to the first tab and search for your channel. Let me search for Ben Did It. And now this is my channel, okay? So you have to make sure that you have a playlist on your channel, okay? So you choose one of your playlists. So once you're done, you tap on this reload button right here. You'll see that now the 3 tabs are actually playing the same video at the same time, okay? By doing this, you're actually gaining watch hours, okay? Let's try the 6 tabs and see how it actually works with 6 tabs. What you have to do, you have to first stop this playing videos. Okay, now as you see, all our videos are actually playing. Okay, they are all now playing, as you can see. So when you see, well, you realize that the first tab is not on the same timing with the rest of the tabs. So what you do, you just tap on the reload button here, the middle button here, and then all the tabs will reload and they will begin playing the video at the same time, okay? As you can see, now the video is playing at the same time. So if you want to add more things, if you want to do more settings, you can just go into this browser and check a lot of stuff, okay? Yeah, you should always remember to turn on screen sleep off and then image replacement to make sure that you don't lose your watch time. Now, I believe you may ask yourself, if you use this particular method, will your channel be monetized? The answer is yes. Ask yourself, music channels, when a song go popular, how many times one person can actually watch that particular song? One person can watch a song even 100 times, and YouTube will count all of those views for that song and the watch time as well. Okay, so by watching the way I just showed you, it will help you to gain watch time. So you have to make sure that you keep on updating your playlist. Every time you post, you have to make sure that you add a video in that particular playlist that you use to actually play. All right, that was for today. Please try out this if you really want to increase your watch time. And please know that every trick I share here, I first confirm it. I don't just bring tricks here and tell you people what to do or what to use. I first do confirm. So try out this trick. It is 100% working. And once it works for you, please don't forget to come and let us know in the comment section. Okay? Join my WhatsApp community for easier communication and help. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.